Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we will be looking at max logical problem. So the question is given: if xy belongs to positive real number, solve x square plus y root of xy equal to 336, y square plus x into root of yx equal to 112. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here we are having x square y and root xy. So root xy is there. So squaring on both sides you can do, but here power will be 4. So there will be some criticality in this problem. So how to solve this? So first of all, you'll take let root of xy is equal to t. So here these are positive numbers. So t will be always greater than 0. T will be greater than 0. So here if you do squaring on both sides, xy is equal to t square. Then y will be t square by x. Now substituting this value in the given equation, y value is t square by x. Then first equation will become x square plus t square by x. Here root xy is t is equal to 336. So here if you solve this, x cube plus t cube is equal to 336 into x. Let it be 1. Now if you go to the second one, y square plus x root of y by x is there. This is equal to 112. Now here I will substitute the value of y. So here you'll get t power 4 by x square plus here root xy is t. T into x equal to 112. So substituting the value of y. So here what will get t power 4 tx cube is equal to 112. Taking t common, t cube plus x cube is equal to, here you will get x square. 112 x square. Let it be 2. Now here what is our target is to find the value of t. Here our target is you have to find the value of t. Now if you divide this 2, 1 divided by 2. So why you are dividing 1 and 2 means x cube t cube will get cancelled. So x cube plus t cube is equal to 333x. That is 1. Second one, t into t cube plus x cube is equal to 112 x square. Second equation divided by first equation. So these two values are same, we can get cancel. So here x square x get cancelled. That implies 1 by t. 1 by t is equal to 3 by x. It will go here 3 times. So here x is there, 3 by x will get. That implies t is equal to or you will take x is equal to 3t. So here we got x and y value in terms of t. Now replace this x value in 1. Replace x in 1. Okay, replace x and y. Replace x and y values in 1. Okay, here only x is there. Replace x. Okay, what will get now? 3t whole cube. 3t whole cube plus t cube is equal to 336 into 3t. So here what will get 27t cube plus t cube is equal to, this can be written as 28 into 36t. So 336 into 3 you have to multiply and you'll get the factors 28 and 36. So here you'll get 28 t cube. 28 t cube is minus 28 into 36t is equal to 0. So here you can take 28t common. T square minus 36. T square minus 36 equal to 0. So here 28 cannot be equal to 0. You can take t equal to 0 or t square minus 36 equal to 0. So t value is greater than 0. So here you can neglect this value. T square is equal to 36. So t is equal to root 36. You will get t is equal to minus 6 or t is equal to 6. So t value cannot be negative. We have taken t is greater than 0. So this value also you can neglect here. Now t is equal to 6. So if t is equal to 6, x value will be 3 into 6, 18 now. Now y value will be t square by x. Y value is t square by x. So t square means 6 into 6 by x value is 18. 6 3s are 18. So it will go 2 times. So y value 2. Therefore x comma y is equal to 18 comma 2. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.